Hey there, green thumbs! Ready to take your garden to the next level? Well, have I got a treat for you? Before we dig in, make sure to click the link in the description below to grab an exclusive discount on First Choice Fertilizer. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Alright, let's get down to the dirt. So you're probably wondering, what's so special about First Choice Fertilizer? Well, it's like the secret sauce for your garden. Whether you're growing vibrant veggies, fabulous flowers, or lush lawns, First Choice has got you covered. Why do I love this stuff? First off, it's packed with all the essential nutrients your plants crave. Think of it as an all-you-can-eat buffet for your garden. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just sprinkle it around and watch your garden go from May to magnificent. Oh, and did I mention the best part? You can get it at a discount with our special coupon code. Yep, just click the link in the description, enter the code, and voila! Instant savings. Your wallet and your garden will be doing a happy dance. But wait, there's more. First Choice Fertilizer isn't just good for your plants, it's also good for the planet. It's eco-friendly and sustainably sourced, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your garden. No nasty chemicals or harmful additives here. Now, let's talk results. With First Choice Fertilizer, you'll see stronger roots, greener leaves, and bigger blooms. Imagine your garden bursting with color and health. It's like giving your plants a superhero cape. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description below, grab your discount, and get ready to transform your garden into a paradise. Remember, great gardens start with First Choice. Happy gardening, everyone! And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more garden tips and tricks. See you in the garden!